Peace and blessings, y'all. It's your boy Trill, Hyyer Code Living. We out here getting it in. We're gonna do a good, quick flow. Focus on the arms. I just had a good push day. I do push pull legs in my workout, so that's push, pretty much chest and shoulders, pull, arms, and back, and then legs, break day. Then I start over. But today we're gonna be doing stretching flows for the arm to help stretch the triceps, the bicep, forearms, wrist, upper chest, tight upper back. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to this Trapping in Japan playlist. Ryan Celsius Sounds on YouTube. I'll leave the link on there. But let's get to it. It's like a fire, lo-fi beat with Blessed by Big Sean rapping. Turned up, you know, that's one of my favorites. Shout out to Sean. Shout out to y'all, I appreciate y'all. Those that do watch and those that will be watching in the future, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not all just for me, it's for y'all. Even though I'm helping my body, it's helping you too as well. So we're gonna be sitting in Sukhasana with our legs crossed. Shoulders are backing down, spine as tall as possible. Chin is at horizon. Deep breaths. Hands can be either to the knees or to receptive mind or to the knees. Deep breaths. Slowly drop the right ear to the right shoulder, keeping everything relaxed. Still sitting up tall. Slowly drop the chin to the chest. Rotate the head around. Left ear to left shoulder, drop the head back. Right ear back to the right shoulder and pause. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bring the head up. Inhale. Exhale, drop the left ear to the left shoulder. Keep everything relaxed. Few deep breaths. Chin to the chest, rotate the head around. Opposite way. Right ear to right shoulder, drop the head back gently. Left ear to the left shoulder and pause. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bring the head up. Spine tall, chin at the horizon. Alright, now we're gonna get to the arms. Inhale, lift the arms up. Spine tall, drop the right hand to the floor, bend the elbow, left arm is over. Stretching the obliques, drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Deep breaths. Don't you hate abs? There usually aren't any on these. Inhale. Exhale with the arms up, spine tall. Inhale, left hand. Exhale, left hand to the floor, bend the elbow, right arm over. Deep breaths. Stability for the tricep on the left arm. Inhale. Exhale up with the arms. Spine tall. Now I'm going to turn to the right, just so y'all can see. Again, spine is tall, arms up. Drop the right arm behind the back, fingers wide. The right wrist is going to be into the right hip. Doing the same with the left, fingers are wide. Left wrist is into the hips. Now bring the shoulder blades together. I'll be sitting up tall. Big inhale. Exhale, push the knees over the feet. Drop away the head back. Strengthen the arms as much as possible, poking the chest out. Squeeze the glutes to straighten the spine. Deep breaths. Relax the neck. Relax the thoughts. Be as chill as the beat. Slowly drop the hips to the floor. Bend the elbows, be sure to sit up tall, cross the right arm over the chest. Left arm is forward, bring the elbows together. Pull the left arm in, stretching the right arm. Deep breaths. better. Good, crossing motion. Inhale. Exhale, slowly open the arms out. Deep breath, fingers wide. Bring the right arm forward, drop the arm to the ground. Left arm crossing the chest. Bend that right elbow, elbow to elbow. Pull the left arm in, sitting up tall, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, release the arms out. Spine tall, arms in perfect cross as much as possible. Now bring the arms forward. Break the wrist. Face the palms to the ceiling. Bring the left hand fingers to the right fingers. Pull the fingers back of the right hand to help stretch the forearm. Deep breaths. Slowly lift the arm up to help stretch the upper part of the bicep. Continue to have an even flow of breath. Slowly bring the arm down. Release the fingers. Now we're going to do the same. Right fingers to the left fingers. Pull the fingers in to stretch the left forearm. A few deep breaths. Be sure to seal. Working on the posture, because we need a strong back for everything in life. Whether it's sitting up, slowly lift the arm up. Sitting in the car. Being at the office. Being at work. Being with your mate. Whether it's a situationship or a relationship, you need a strong back. Also need a strong back to stand firm in your decisions and everything in life. Slowly bring the arm down. Now slowly bring the arms back out wide. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Walk the arms out as much as possible. Drop the head down, relax the hips. Deep breaths. Relax the neck, arm, and shoulders. Drop the head down as much as possible. Inhale. Exhale, slowly drag the fingers back up. Sitting up as tall as possible, shoulders are back and down. Bring the hands to the knees, push the knees together. Bring the soles of the feet to the mat. I'm gonna turn this way. Y'all stay where y'all at. Be sure to sit up as tall as you can. Right hand's gonna go underneath the right leg. Reach up for the left ankle. Draw the left leg in and onto the mat. Pull the right leg in. Cross the right leg over the left. Pull it up. And if this is too much, you can just extend the left leg out long. We're doing a simple Sundana twist. Right hand behind the back, fingers wide. Make sure the right arm is steady and firm. Left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Gazing over the right shoulder. Keeping the left arm up. Deep breaths. You can do a mudra if you'd like. If you know your mudras, if you're knowledgeable. Know that the working is within the mind and within the thoughts. Inhale. Exhale slowly back forward. Uncross the right, stretch the left, bring the left leg back up. Be sure to sit up tall. Now we're going to do the same with the left hand underneath the left leg, reach for the right ankle. Draw the leg in, go onto the mat, pull the left leg in, sitting up tall, cross the left over the right, left hand behind the back, fingers wide, right elbow to the outside of the left knee, gazing over the left shoulder, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale slowly back forward. Just taking our time. Slowly bring the left leg back over. Bring the right leg up, still sitting up tall. Now we're going to rock onto the glutes. Lift the heels off of the mat. Knees and ankles together. Arms to the side for a half boat. Tighten the core as much as possible. Spine is straight. Straighten the legs for a full boat if you can. If not, keep the knees bent. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Bend the knees back to a bend. Challenge for myself as well. Bring the soles of the feet back to the mat. Stretch the left leg out long. Let it cross the right ankle over the left knee. Drop the right knee down flat. Or you can pull the left foot all the way in, the heel into the hip. If you're there, if not, worry about it. Cross the ankle over the knee. Lay the right knee as flat as possible. Be sure it's sitting up tall. Right arm is behind the back. Left hand's going to be reaching for the left foot. Pull the top of the foot in as much as you can. If not, bring the hands to the side of the leg, pushing up forward. Drop the head down to the knee, gradually pull the body in. In most instances, we'll have a strap if we can't reach for the foot with the right hand. As we pull in, we'll have the strap here. Pull the leg in. I have a strap over there, but I'm thinking, Slowly come back up, vertebrae by vertebrae, shoulders back and down. Stretch the right leg out long. Relax the right arm to the side. Now cross the left ankle over the right knee. Or again, pull the heel into the groin. Left hand is behind the back, reaching for the foot as much as possible, sitting up. Again, you would have your strap to the left hand, around the left foot, pulling in. Right hand is reaching for the toes of the right foot, pulling in or to the side. Drop the head down. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, slowly back up. Vertebrae by vertebrae, shoulders back and down. Relax the right foot. Release the left leg out, stretch the left leg long. Now for both legs, inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Grab the tops of the feet. If you can, pull the feet in. If not, hands to the side, pushing forward. Drop the head down to the knees, gradually pull the body in. Relax the legs, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, slowly drag the fingers up the legs, coming back up. Shoulders back and down, bring the soles of the feet to the mat. Scoot the glutes into the heels. Bend the elbows. Now we're going to stay here. Make sure the spine is as straight as possible. Elbows are closest into the body as much as possible. Shoulder blades are in and together. Knees and ankles are together. Knees and ankles together, spine is straight, elbows are into the mat, pushing through the shoulders, so not sagging down. Shoulder blades are together, slowly drop, stretch the leg long, doing the same with the left. Slowly drop the weight of the head back, arching the lower back, Pushing the chest as much as possible to the sky for a fish posture. If we had a block, we would place the block right below the bottom of the block to the middle of the back. Deep breaths. Slowly raise the head up. Chin into the chest. Move the right elbow out to the side along with the left. Slowly coming down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Arms to the sides of the body. Soles of the feet to the mat. If you can, reach for the ankles with the hands. Shoulders are relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, thrust the hips up for a bridge. Bring the shoulder blades together. Squeeze the glutes to straighten the spine. Keep the chin into the chest. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, untuck the shoulders. Gently drop the hips to the floor. Cross the legs and ankles. Slowly use the elbows to push yourself back up to a seated easy style position. Hands again to the knees or to receptive position. Spine is tall, chin is at the horizon. Be sure to work on the posture, slowing the thoughts. Yes, the legs are our pillars, but if our arms can be the pillars for our upper body and strengthen and strong and equal, the proper flexibility, toning, and strength training, you have 4 pillars. The main pillar is the mind. Arm, leg, leg, arm, arm, leg, leg, arm, head. Be sure to have your inhales coming from the diaphragm, filling up the lungs. Full exhales throughout the nose or out the mouth. Inhale, lift the arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, hands to heart center, shoulders are back and down. Thank you all for practicing today. Hope you had a good stretch of the arms, good stretch of the chest and the upper back, the neck as well, and overall, because we hit overall, but with the focus on the arms, branches of the body, to help branch out into the positivity, reaching, but also giving out what is in the fruit, but coming from the root. Again, I appreciate y'all. A lot of the philosophical and the yogic postures are coming. Trust me. Whittled it. Dr. Trill got you. Trill got you. I love you. Remember, peace, not apart, but together. Namaste. God bless and all that. Yeah. Watch how I move, how I flow. Watch how I move and I glow. This is the Trinity show. I do it for you, don't you know? I do it for me, it's a little. What I'm doing here on a mission. We cook in the kitchen. Veggies and greens, we did it. Then I got Gucci in the kitchen. Even this time was the chickens. Moving that health like dope, we get it. I got a different type junkie. I was trying to get money. I was out helping, feeling your auntie. Now we living in health and abundance. Privy to the most high. We did it, we get it, we won it. Yeah. They need to sign me.